Hello, welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. Today we got a letter in the mail from Bear and the Boss Lady. They sent one to Grumpy's crazy old butt, but I sent Bear a sticker not long ago, and he has returned the favor and sent some back. And this is just awesome, too cool. Let's see.
Grumpy's hands carved the wood so
Bear and the Boss Lady.
Every line tells a tale in the grain's design.
I'm gonna have up on my box, and I'm gonna put one on my LaidBak. So, that works out perfect. I got a small letter inside.
This is how we share the joy tonight.
Hey, he's doing a pretty good job of it, Bear. I'm becoming to know him pretty good. But thank you, sir. Greatly appreciate it. Guys, to get with you too, I want to see about maybe acquiring a small box of bark. We'll see how that goes. But right now, I'm fixing to put your sticker up inside the box. So everybody, hold on. Again, I got a little dinky tripod here. Woo! Alright, this side is what's filling up so far. My box is what? It's about 2 foot wide on the inside. I don't have it real big because I didn't want the dust to get too crazy, but it still gets crazy in here. That dust will go where it wants to go. And sometimes you'd be surprised on how did it get there.
Check out their channel. Feel the vibe where stories are told and good folks subscribe. It's a small world made of big heart beats, carved in the wood where our stories meet. Stickers going on the box and the Laid. Grumpy's world just got a little more brave. Every cut, every color,
I don't know where I want to put the stickers, y'all.
This is how we share the joy tonight.
Get it right there. Awesome. Let's see if I can do this. Here we go. We got Bear and the Boss Lady sticker. Newest collection to the box. Thank you so much. Back out. Pop back over here. And of course, we got Creation Dust sticker. Jordy Johnson, Sean Brooks, Been on Fire, Perry's, Carbon Wizard, DeLand's Handmade Woodworking, Sophie's at Under the Box, Bark, Another Carbon Fusion, Suzanne Rhinestone, and Robert C. Peters. That's awesome. And of course, that crazy old guy. I don't know who he is. He snuck in there somehow. But alright, thank you. Y'all have a great day. Check out the description. I'll have a link of Bear's channel in there. And of course, I'm still going to have my link for Spike's fundraiser in there. Y'all see what y'all can do. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to jump out of the box. I'm going to show you where I put Bear's under sticker. It's on the backboard of the LaidBak. There we go. That's the first sticker to go on the LaidBak. Yep, I got my lathe kind of enclosed. Back up a little bit. There we go. There's my lathe. It's a mess. My work area normally is. Alright, thank you. Y'all have a great day.
Check out their channel. Feel the vibe where stories are told and good folks subscribe.